Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Easy Way to Learn English Grammar. Dear students, already we have learnt about collective nouns. So let's see what is meant by collective nouns. The noun which indicate the group of person, animal, bird or thing is known as collective noun. In simple words, the noun which shows the collection of person, animal, bird or thing, it is known as collective nouns. For example, a gang of thieves. When many thieves come together, it is known as gang. Second example is a class of students. When many students come together, it is known as a class. Okay, so class is collective noun here. Third example, a band of musicians. When many musicians come together, it is known as a band of musicians. Understood? Okay, these are the examples of the collective noun. So let's see the quiz time. So dear student, judge yourself for the collective nouns. Now let's see the first example. What is the first example? And died a of soldiers. Okay, so what is called to the collection of soldiers? An army of soldiers. Now let's see the next example. A died of kings. Okay, when many kings come together, it is known as a dynasty of kings. Next one, a dash of directors. When many directors come together, it is known as a board of directors. A dash of sellers. What is the correct collective noun here? A crew of sellers. Next one, a dash of flowers. When we collect many flowers together, it is known as a bouquet of flowers. Next example, a dash of grapes. What is the correct collective noun here? A bunch of grapes. Next one, a dash of stars. So what is the correct collective noun here? A galaxy of stars. Dear students, you have to guess the correct answers. Okay. Next one, a dash of fish. When many fish come together, it is known as a shoal of fish. Next one, a dash of ships. Okay. So what is the correct collective noun here? A fleet of ships. Okay. Now let's see the next example. A dash of girls. Okay. So it is known as a baby of girls. Next example, a dash of cotton. It is known as a bale of cotton. Next one, a dash of corns. When many corns are there together, it is known as a room full of corns. Next example, a dash of eggs. What is the correct collective noun here? A clutch of eggs. Next one, a dash of grass. What is the proper collective noun? A tuft of grass. Next one, a dash of magistrates. When many magistrates come together, it is known as a bench of magistrates. Next example, a dash of sparrows. Okay, when there is a collection of sparrows, it is known as a host of sparrows. Next example, a dash of shoes. It is known as a pair of shoes. Next example, a dash of soil. It is known as a layer of soil. Now let's see the next example, a dash of colors. It is known as a palette of colors. Next example, a dash of words. When there is the collection of lot of words, it is known as glossary of words. Next example, a dash of angels. Okay, it is known as a host of angels. Next example, a dash of dancers. The group of dancers is known as, what is the proper collective noun here? A group of dancers. A dash of experts. Okay, a panel of experts. A dash of candidates. A slate of candidates. Next example, a dash of birds. A flight of birds. Next example, a dash of flats. When there is a series of flats, it is known as a block of flats. Next one, a dash of wood. It is known as a stack of wood. Now let's see the next example. A dash of pearls. It is known as string. Okay. Next example. A dash of money. When there is lot of money together, it is known as a pile of money. Next example. A dash of books. So when there are many books together, it is known as a library. Okay. Next example. A dash of cards. When there are lot of cards together, it is known as a deck of cards. Next example. A dash of sticks. When there are lot of sticks together, it is known as a bundle of sticks. Next example. A dash of chickens. It is known as a brood of chickens. Dear students, these all are the collective nouns. We are watching the examples of collective nouns. I have prepared 70 collective nouns for you. Okay. So take advantage of it and try to guess the correct answers. Next example. A dash of bats or ants. It is known as a colony. Next example. A dash of birds. It is known as flock of birds. Next example. A dash of hounds. It is known as a pack of hounds. Next one. A dash of whales. A pod of whales. A dash of stairs. A flight of stairs. Next example. A dash of forest. A stack of forest. Next example. A dash of bees. A swarm of bees. A dash of islands. When there is a group of islands, it is known as a group of islands. Okay. Next example. A dash of bananas. When there are lot of bananas together, it is known as a comb of bananas. Next example. A dash of words. It is known as a babel of words. Okay. Next example. A dash of onions. It is known as a row of onions. Next example. A dash of dust. Correct example. A cloud of dust. Okay. Next example. A dash of policeman. A patrol of policeman. Next example. A dash of candidates. Okay. A slate of candidates. Next example. A dash of journalist. A scoop of journalist. Next example. A dash of salesman. A sample of salesman. Next example. A dash of boys. A blush of boys. Okay. A dash of actresses. An entrance of actresses. Next example. A dash of dentist. A brace of dentist. A dash of servants. A staff of servants. Next example. A dash of parents. A persistence of parents. So let's see the another example. A dash of judges. A bench of judges. A dash of gophers. A stadium of gophers. And dash of musicians. An orchestra of musicians. A dash of breads. A loaf of breads. A dash of hens. A brood of hens. A dash of fish. A school of fish. A dash of cows. A herd of cows. A dash of players. A team of players. So dear students, if you like the video, subscribe it, like it and share it. I hope that you understood today's topic very well. Thank you. Have a great day.